Hello. Now it is time to unbox the Rebel deck. It's advertised as a tarot deck, but it's totally not. I don't know why they call it that. But this one is totally sassy, saucy, irreverent. If you're one of those spiritual people who say fuck a lot, this is probably a good deck for you. I'm gonna say that before I even open it. But Rebel deck, crazy unicorn, pink, or like anti-unicorn rather, like they're crossing out the unicorn, so that's already like, hey, F you. And now little mesh fishnetty kind of bag. Rebel deck, you're the shit. Tarot with attitude. Don't forget it. And they give you a little 10% off coupon code. So again, little badass fishnetty bag here. Deck. It's very pink. Slide off the little, all right, maybe slide off the little, these plastic dudes. So on the back, it says, Tarot with attitude. Brace yourself. Rebel deck messages are quick, dirty, and direct. We gave the ancient practice of tarot a modern makeover and added a little insult to insight. This deck is rebellious, foul-mouthed, and raw. Ask the cards what you need to know right now. These messages will tell it like it is. No interpretation needed. Messages like this inside. You need some fucking yoga in your life. Ancient shit is cool. So on the back of this, it talks about a rebel reading. So shuffle, close your eyes, focus on your life right now. Shuffle the deck circle side up. Ask the question, what does life want me to know right now? Pick a card. Let the truth bomb explode. Not what you wanted to hear? Too bad, so sad. You don't get to call the shots in Rebel deck land. Haven't had enough? Fuck it. Pick a few more cards. You'll get even more insightful bullshit about your life. You can't run, you can't hide. Rebel deck sees all. Share the love. Think of someone else and pick a card. You know the drill. So whether you just had a shitty day, or enjoying cocktails with friends, or sitting alone on the top of a mountain, you need Rebel deck in your life. There's a message for you, and you need to hear it now. So that's their little intro. Okay, so this is really funny. So we're going to go through the cards. Obviously, it's going to be profanity-laden, so if you have a problem with that, cease and desist. This is not the deck for you. So here's kind of the intro card. Rebel deck, tarot with attitude, zero filter, zero fucks, all fun. So each card has this back, stop fucking whining, circle, and then on the other side it has a little more insight. So no one wants to listen to that shit. Complaining makes you weak. You have the strength to change the world, so do it. Next we have whatever you are thinking about, don't do it. Now is not the fucking time. Shit is going down with your job. Reevaluate, change your perspective, or fucking quit. Stop texting, stop stalking, stop checking on that person. Just fucking stop. Spend your time on someone worth it. Don't waste it on ridiculousness. You think someone is lying. Guess what? They are! This deck is cracking me up, guys. You look like a shit show. You are a hot mess. Fact. Clean yourself up. You eaten. You're acting like a big ass baby. You need food in your belly. Eat a fucking taco. That would be me. I get totally hangry and I'm really unpleasant. So my husband has learned to be like, do you have a granola bar in your purse? Because you're kind of being a bitch. So eat the emergency granola bar, pull over, get yourself a sandwich, sort that shit out. All right. Ooh, this one. It's not everyone else's fault. It's yours. You are a grown-ass adult. Stop blaming others for your shit. I know a couple people. I would like to leave that on their desks. You need a big fucking hug. Squeeze. So it's not all snark and nastiness. There's some good, like, little other things in there. Oh, there's also a yelling black cat. Dude, shush. Ask a fucking expert. Don't rely on your friends or the internet. Listen to a damn professional. Hold, please. Black cat now. Oh, do not go on my altar. Ew. And he wanted to be here, and now he doesn't want to be here. And, alright. Put the fucking phone down. Too much screen time is making you awkward and sad. Go talk to a live person. You are talented and fucking amazing. The world needs your power. Use your voice. Just don't use it for dumb shit. Stop sleeping so damn much. Wake up. You are missing some cool shit. What the hell are you waiting for? Get that shit done. If you're waiting for a sign, here it fucking is. You are giving away your power. You're a badass. Act like it. Take a fucking trip. Go see some new shit. Do some new things. Talk to people cooler than you. Oh, you need a good fucking cry. Get the ugly cry on. Let that shit go. Your soul will thank you. Laugh. Where the fuck is your sense of humor? Step away from the crazy-making diet for a hot second. Kale and spirulina taste like ass. Eat some yummy shit. Bacon, chocolate, beer. Get some. Next up, to counteract that, eat your fucking vegetables. Eat some shit made by Mother Nature. So I like that this deck has a sense of balance, that it's not just all one side, that it has that perspective. All right, here we have don't talk to anyone, don't look at anyone. You need some fucking alone time, and you know why. You are going through some tough shit. Everyone has their turn. Welcome to yours. Gather your tired ass up and handle it. Get some fucking sleep. You are being an ass because you are fucking tired. Face to pillow, now. You are loved. You're here for a reason. Don't fuck it up. Take a shot. Don't take 12. Take 1. Okay, maybe 2. Move on. Make better fucking choices. So when I played roller derby, one of my favorite memories is watching a bench coach yell that to her team after a particularly bad jam. Just make better fucking choices. You're like, oh, okay, we get it. Message received. So next up is, if you're pissed at where you are, then stop taking yourself there. So that ties in very nicely to that make better fucking choices message. That project, that person, that idea is waiting. Get after that shit. The world has your back. Shame, regret, and guilt, those are just bullshit. Forgive. Let that shit go. Get the fuck outside. Move your ass. Your body is pissed at you. They broke your heart. Fuck them. Be fucking grateful. Shit could be so much worse. Which I know we mostly don't want to hear, but truth. You Get some fucking yoga in your life. Ancient shit is cool. It's dark and you can't see a fucking thing. Get your head out of your ass pronto. Fucking apologize. Seriously, just do it. Get the fuck out of your head. Get in your heart. It misses you. You are giving too many fucks. Give 0. Get over yourself and pull your shit together. Help people. Give back. Do good shit for humanity. Stop obsessing. You are not the fucking center of the universe. You do you. Stop trying to change people. That shit never works. Drop the fucking ego. Vulnerability is hot as fuck. Don't believe every shitty thought you have. Thoughts can be sneaky, lying bastards. Detox. Drink a smoothie, unfriend that asshole, and throw some shit out. Money. Make it rain. Stop talking. Shut your mouth and listen. Lightning, also known as figure shit out on your own. You are the best thing to ever happen to you. Go easy on your own ass. Buy your own damn drink. You got a feeling you just can't shake. That little voice inside you, listen to that shit. You are being shady. Watch out, shit could get ugly. You equals tight ass. Loosen the fuck up. Control freaks don't get laid. Believe what you see. Face reality or live in fucking La La Land. Choose bravely. Fuck. Shit is about to get real. Fuck. You need your people around you. Time to let go. Move the fuck on. Some good shit is about to happen. Don't let your issues fuck it up. Winning! You got a good thing going. Don't ruin that shit. Rebel. Because love. Give some, get some. It will cheer your ass up. So those are the cards. Multicolored. Pretty. This is actually really better stock than I expected for this deck. So it's fun. It shuffles really well. I'm kind of enjoying these. Ew. And the card that I got is, where the fuck is your sense of humor? So apparently I've been taking things too seriously, and that's good to know. But it does shuffle really nicely. I'm digging it. Rebel deck. Probably a huge hit at parties. Good with the Cards Against Humanity crowd. That's my take on this. So very fun, snarky little deck. Not for everyone, but if you need this, you will know. So that is the Rebel deck.